How to use ChatGPT to generate code snippets for WordPress plugin development and see the results live. Generating code snippets can save time, reduce errors, and help you learn best practices for WordPress development. Let's generate a shortcut. First, go to ChatGPT and then enter the prompt generate a WordPress plugin shortcode that displays a list of the latest posts and hit enter. It will generate you a plugins code as well as it will instruct you how to use this code. So let's copy the code. After generating, let's copy the code and then open your local server. I use WP local. If you don't know how to install WordPress with WP local, then check out the video link in the description. So click on VS Code and it will open our WordPress installation codes in the VS Code. So in the WP content, you will find the plugins and then create a new folder like shortcode plugin. Under the folder, create a new file shortcode plugin.php. This is our main PHP file of our plugin. Now paste the code and save the code. Register the shortcode latest post. So this is our shortcode and open WordPress and then plugin, install plugins, active our plugin, latest post shortcode. Okay, our plugin is activated. Now go to post, add new page, and in the new page we will paste our shortcode to see the results live. So test shortcode and then click on the plus icon and then shortcode, find shortcode and then paste your shortcode, hit then publish and then paste live. Okay, this is our live results. We see that our plugin is working. Try using ChatGPT to generate your code snippet and share your results in the comments. I will share more videos on WordPress code snippets with ChatGPT. Like, share and subscribe.